Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to add fonts to CapCut PC. So it's pretty simple, let's get started. So assume that there are lots of fonts you want to install in the CapCut, and by default there is not installed in CapCut. So in order to download, you guys have to simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, and you guys have to simply head over to the fonts. So after coming to the first website, which is thefonts.com, you guys have to simply open it. So it is the top website for the fonts. It has hundreds of fonts, and you guys can select any of the font and just simply click on this download button to download the font. So here I have downloaded lots of fonts from here. You guys can see I have downloaded lots of fonts. So in order to install any of the font, you guys have to, first step is to close the CapCut application first. So after closing the CapCut application first, you guys have to simply open up the that font file which you have downloaded. So I'm selecting this one. Then you guys have to just simply tap on the this install button which is on top left corner. So after tapping on this install, your font will be installed to your computer, and after that you guys have to simply open up CapCut application again. So after opening up CapCut application again, it will take some time, and click on this create project. So after clicking on create project, your project window will be opened, and you guys have to simply go to this above text section in the top left corner, and here you guys have to simply drag the text to the timeline. After dragging that, here you guys have to simply add a text, assume that this, and you guys have to simply go to this system section. You guys have to just simply click on this preset section to close the preset by default CapCut fonts, and you guys have to simply enable the system fonts. So you guys can see our system font has been enabled. Now you guys have to just simply find that specific font which you have installed. You guys can find that font here, and you guys can install in CapCut. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.